Hi Simone, happy birthday! Kamusta ang Tess? Siguro excited ka sa party tonight, ano? Anyways, I am here to greet you and send you some messages and wishes for your birthday. Were you able to open up your gift? I mean, my gift to you? Instead of a notebook, I bought a laptop for you. Your lolo told me that it's much better to buy a laptop rather than buying you a notebook. Actually, may padala naman sa iyo si Tito Willie na Kindle, di ba? That you can share with Eve. Now, my wishes to you, I wish you all the best. Sana maging very good girl ka to your mom and dad, lolo, and of course myself. Always help your mom in taking care of Eve. So how was Eve? Hi Eve, kamusta? Sabi ng mami mo 1 minute lang. I think I was able to send you almost 4 messages last night, but it didn't came through. Laging naghahanga ang aking Facebook. So for now, eto, nagtatry uli ako to give you a video message, no? Kaso yung kay tita, ewan ko ano nangyari dun sa video message namin this morning. Masyadong mabilis ang I really don't know what happened. But then of course, Apoy, happy birthday, and hope you have many more happy birthdays to come. Okay? Always be a good girl. Be obedient. Basta lahat ng good. Okay? O, sige. Bye-bye. Love you.